Welcome to the setup video of the One4All SkyQ replacement remote control. Your One4All remote control can learn any function from any other working remote control. This is a quick and easy one-time setup that allows you to control any infrared controlled device you have in your living room. To learn functions, the original remote should be approximately 3 cm from the One4All remote pointing towards it. Then, hold down 1 and 3 until the red LED blinks twice. After this, press and release the key you want to learn a function onto, for example the TV power key. The red LED will blink continuously. While the red LED blinks, press and release the corresponding key on the original remote. The red LED will blink twice to indicate the key has been learned correctly. Repeat these steps for each key you want to learn. Remember, you can learn from multiple remotes, but only one function per key. When you have learned all the functions you require, press and hold the OK key until the red LED blinks twice. With these few simple steps, your One4All remote is now set up to control your device. Happy viewing!